Hey, it's Brett, and look what I got. This is a Atlas N-scale U36B in Seaboard Coast Line Bicentennial livery. I pre-ordered this in August of 24, so about 15 months ago, and to be quite honest, I completely forgot I had ordered it, but it showed up in the mail a couple days ago, and we're going to take a look at it. Okay, we get it up on a platform. Let's start with the basics. And to be clear, this is not going to be a deep dive review. I haven't even put the thing on a layout yet, and I'm probably not going to have time to really mess around with it too much, although we will give it a little bit of a trial run in a bit. But this is mainly just, I would call it a walk around. So let's take a quick look at the fit and finish here. And first impression is it's very well done. Everything looks, all the rails look clean and crisp. No bends. They're not overly chunky. I do notice that the handles in the back, they're molded in, so not separately applied. And let me grab my magnifiers real quick. And the grates at the top are just molded in. Nothing is really see-through or anything. But all of the markings are very clean. Number board looks good. And in fact, even the little logos in there, I mean, I've got my magnifiers on, and it's still just a little too small for me to read, but I would swear that's almost legible. I think that is very nicely executed. I mean, obviously I would have liked to have seen like separately applied handles back there and maybe a little more detail, but once I get into weathering, I think we'll make that look pretty plausible. I don't think I'm going to mess with the grabs in the back though. And of course you got the lights there. We'll see if those actually work. Now, of course, this was pre-Atlas's acquisition of microchain, so of course it's got the older style couplers. I'm assuming that in the future, at some point, they'll start coming with microchains couplers on there, but we'll see. All right, let's throw it on the layout and see how she does. Okay, we got it on the layout, and I've already programmed the address, so let's get it started and see what it sounds like. So first, let's start it up. Here we go, and let's turn on the lights. Probably should have started with that. Let's see. Yep, those came on. We've got the bell. And we got whistle. Let's see what we got. Let's turn on some. I think that was the ditch lights. Yep, those are flashing. And let's turn off the bell. And let's send it on its way. Oh, I think I've got a track issue. Let's try that again. Maybe I should have cleaned the track first. Oh man. Stand by. Track cleaning. Okay, so what did we learn? We learned that it does not have keep alive capacitors and that I need to clean my track a lot more often. So let's try that again. Well, now that it's ridden off into the sunset, I think we'll call it a day.